Over the next couple of days, U.S. and Chinese trade officials are going to be sitting down, hashing out issues like agriculture, like fentanyl, and like currency. And as these talks are going on, a hawk on China, Michael Pillsbury of the Hudson Institute, who's been advising President Trump from outside the White House on trade, tells the South China Morning Post if there's not a deal soon, that President Trump could escalate things and introduce tariffs as high as 100%. We know that President Trump is the tariff man. He has a steel stomach for things like that. But I spoke to another outside ally of the White House on trade who said that Pillsbury is freelancing, but that the president likes that because it gives him more negotiating room, and it's sort of a good cop, bad cop dynamic that allows him to ramp up the pressure on China even as his negotiators are in the room trying to do that work. But even so, we are seeing some positive signs emerging that China is here in the U.S. to check off some of the boxes that the president has laid out. We have learned through our sources that Chinese officials are planning to go to farm country, specifically in Montana and Nebraska, to meet with farmers face to face. And Secretary of Agriculture Sonny Perdue this afternoon said he is hopeful that accompanying those visits are purchase agreements. Listen.
And we hope that these purchases or agreements or these talks this coming week can lead fruitful and give momentum, as was said, into further discussions of a trade resolution.
Those visits that were first reported by CNBC are going to be taking place early next week. So these talks might officially end tomorrow, guys, but they're going to unofficially continue throughout next week.